What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over ADA as well as Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance. So we're sitting at 226. We're up about 1.16 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 73.17, a billion, 24-hour volume, 2.75 billion. Excuse me, guys. If you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for free Spotify, Netflix, travel incentives. So we're printing a beautiful green candle right now. So we may see a breakout coming here shortly for ADA. We have this falling wedge. Your target is up here at $2.33. I just posted in the Discord here saying maybe ADA will make a move to 233. Some volume coming in as I type this. And as you can see here, we're seeing a nice little bit of volume here. So your target from this falling wedge pattern is up at $2.33. We have this ascending triangle. We've bounced off the support again. So if we were to come up here and break this level of resistance, that target is all the way up at 255, which was a previous level of resistance, previous level of support. We have our target from our descending channel up at 305 for ADA. Now, if we could see some more volume step in here, we can get back above the EMAs on the 4-hour chart, which would be a strong signal. And especially if we break this resistance from our ascending triangle at 231, that's when we can see some continuation here for ADA. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, you can see we're currently testing resistance of the 1.414. We met our target from our bull flag. So the major resistance here is at about 59.9K. Now, if we were to get rejected here and we saw some consolidation, that's when I think we're going to see the alts start to catch up here with Bitcoin. Because if we come over here to the Bitcoin dominance, you can see here on the 1-hour time frame, the Bitcoin dominance has been rising. That's why we've been seeing alts suffering. We're now starting to see a bit of a red candle here. And you notice we're seeing a little bit of a pump with ADA. So if we look at the dominance on the 4-hour time frame, you can see here the Bitcoin dominance started to drop. It was right around 8 o'clock on October 21st, 1200 hours here. And if we look at Bitcoin around that same time, that's when Bitcoin started to see a little bit of sell-off and some consolidation. So if you see Bitcoin start to consolidate in between 57.5 and 59.9, that's when I think you'll see the Bitcoin dominance start to come down and alts start to take off once again here. If Bitcoin can simply break above and hold 60K as support, we're looking really, really strong for continuation. There's not much resistance until our all-time high at 64.9K. We are still having our bearish divergence here. So if we do see that consolidation here, that's when I think the alts will start to catch up to Bitcoin and start to break out. Now, if this bearish divergence were to play out, we lost 57.5 as support. Do target this zone here in between about 54.3K and 53.68K. If I open this up, there's a ton of support in this area. See all the support in this area? I think that would be a major level if Bitcoin were to break 57.5. But if we can break through 59.9 or we simply consolidate in this zone, we're looking really, really strong for continuation. And I think we'll see the alts start to break out here. So do keep an eye on this level of resistance, 233. It's the technical target from this falling wedge, as well as the resistance of our ascending triangle here. If we break out, we can head up to 255 for ADA. And then, of course, we have that strong level of support if Bitcoin were to see a harsher sell-off here down at 205. So that's basically it for this one. Shout out to the Discord guys, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts, crushing it, trading, making profits, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon, sign up to Bybit, grab your incredible amount of bonuses right now, over $1,600, $50 for your first deposit within 48 hours. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.